Working on an equipment trailer. I'm gonna service the hubs, check the brakes, check all systems, check the breakaway kit, check lights. Let's get to it. Passenger side front. Brakes look okay, they're not adjusted though. Hub and drums look good. Passenger side rear. Brakes look good. Magnets look like they got a little hot, but I think adjusting the brakes is gonna work. They're still perfectly flat. Self-adjusting brakes, strike again. Passenger side hub and drums are getting serviced. Races are out. 25520 races go on the inside. Inner races are in. Outer races a 14276. New races are in. Hub and drums are clean. And grease going in the hubs. One bearing's packed. Second bearing packed. I'm gonna check seals. Seals are 2 1/4. Seals are in. Seals are clean. Hubs are packed. Washers are clean. Spindle nuts are clean. Need some dust caps. Go get them on the trailer. Second one's clean. Passenger side rear 50. Backed off. Hand tight. Passenger side rear retainer is verified. Passenger side front 50. Backed off. Hand tight. Passenger side front retainer is verified. Alright, let's see. Come on, self-adjusting brakes. Why must you be like this? Self-adjusting brakes. They should call them non-adjusting brakes. Because even if you want to adjust them, you can't. Holy moly. Why would they make this design where the little flap that's supposed to hold this thing blocks you from being able to freaking adjust it? There we go. Just had to use my pick and I can open the adjuster. Oh, we got days to go for this. Okay, slightly rubbing. We'll call that good. Alright, we're gonna call that slightly rubbing on the brakes. Driver's side rear. Looks good. Driver's side rear is good. Magnet's still flat. Shoes are still good. We'll just get all the cobwebs out. Driver's side front. Looks good. Hubs are clean. New races are going in. Hubs and races are clean. Let's get new grease in. Bearings packed. Second one's in. Seals are going in. Seals are in. Bearings are packed for the outer. Second bearing's packed. Hubs are packed. I'm gonna pre-adjust this, see if I can get them slightly rubbing before I put it on. Driver's side front, 50. Backed off, finger tight. Oh, I adjusted it perfectly. Driver's side front, retainer verified. Not yet. Good. Washer, spindles. Driver's side rear, 50. Backed off, hand tight. Driver's side rear retainer is verified. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Sweet. Up and drums are on. Let's check brakes. Driver's side front, free spinning. Driver's side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Free spinning. Passenger side front, free spinning. Passenger side rear, free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Locked up. Brakes are off. Back to free spinning. Back to free spinning. All brakes work. Let's check breakaway. I don't think the breakaway works. Oh. Okay, it's loose. Well, the switch is broken. Breakaway pin's pulled. Breakaway's not working. Gets a new breakaway kit. Old breakaway kit's coming off. Breakaway switch is cut. Breakaway kit's cut off. Red is charged. Blue is hot. White is ground. New kit going on. Breakaway kit's on. Breakaway kit's on. Charge line is blinking, means it's getting a good circuit. Let's try this again. Breakaway pin's pulled. Brakes are locked up. Breakaway pin is in. Driver's side front, back to free spinning. Breakaway kit works. Let's check marker lights. Marker lights, driver's side front are on. Marker light rear is on. Rear marker lights are good. Left turn's on and working. Right turn's on and working. Markers are back on. Passenger side. Passenger side front works. All lights and wiring work. And torque and lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. How's the run on this equipment trailer? 4 new bearing kits, brakes are fine, hub and drums were totally fine, lights work. I did change the breakaway kit on it. It was not working and it was not charging. Tested it, it works. Brakes work, brakes are adjusted even though they're self-adjusting, and I had to battle them a little bit. Tires and wheels are good, lug nuts are torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next. Thanks for watching.